Yo, what's up? I hope you're doing just fine. So this video is about TCP flags, but it's actually an extract from another video I did. I think I was teaching on Nmap, but I discovered that you guys are searching for content on TCP flags, so I just said, why not just take a part of that video and make it another video that is just on TCP flags. So here goes. Alright, this is the TCP header. It'll be part of the package that we send out when we are scanning pods with Nmap. It should all be familiar to you if you know TCP. We're not going to run through everything here. We're only going to concern ourselves with this part, the code bits. Okay, so let's just load that up. They are called code bits or flags, and they take up a 6-bit space, and each bit is for a specific flag. All right, now let's take a look at all these flags and see what they do. So first here we have the agent flag with the symbol URG or URG, if that's a word. All right, what the agent flag does is that when it's set to 1, right, the data that is within the packet whose urgent flag is 1 will be forwarded to the application layer as soon as it is received. The agent flag here is more like a notifier to the receiver of the packet, notifying the receiver that it should process the data in that particular packet before processing all the data of other packets. Okay, that's what the agent flag does. Then second here we have the acknowledgement flag with the symbol ACK or ACK. This one is used to acknowledge packets that have been successfully received by the host, by the receiver of the packet. The flag is set to 1 when the acknowledgement number field in the TCP header contains a valid acknowledgement number. And also it's used in the second step of a successful three-way handshake. That's the acknowledgement flag. Okay, now let's get to the push with the symbol PSH. Alright, this one is more like the agent flag. It is used by the transport layer of the receiver to judge the amount of time it has to wait before passing a segment of data to the application layer. So when the push flag is set to 1, the transport layer is not gonna wait, it's just gonna forward the data segment to the application layer. So that's the push flag. Let's move on to the reset flag. Okay, this one is just used to terminate a connection. That's all it does. If a receiver gets a packet with this flag on, it just means that you should terminate the connection right now. And also if we receive a packet with the reset flag on, or with the reset flag that is set to 1, right, it means that we can't communicate with the part that we want to communicate with. It usually means that the part that we're trying to communicate with is closed. That's what the reset flag does. Okay, now let's move on to the synchronization flag or the syn flag. Okay, this one is used in the first step of a three-way handshake. And the second step also, because the first step we send a syn packet, right? We send a packet with the syn flag on, and then the receiver, the host, if they want to communicate with us, they send back a packet with the syn flag and the acknowledgement flag on. So it's the first step and the second step, And also the syn flag is used to synchronize the sequence number in a TCP header. That is, it lets the other end of the connection, it lets the host, the target that we were sending our packets to, it lets them know the sequence number they should accept. All right, last but not least, we have the finish flag, symbol fin. Okay, this one is more like the reset flag, but this one is more negotiative. I can say that. What the fin flag does is that it just terminates a connection. Okay, but how it differs from the reset flag is that it terminates the connection from one side of the communication tunnel. If the sender doesn't have any more information to send to the receiver, it can just send the fin flag, right? A packet with the fin flag on, right? But if the receiver's got more information to send back to the sender, it might not terminate the connection. It might just, keep the connection intact, but just one-way communication, okay? Unlike the reset flag, when the reset flag is set on, both the receiver and the sender, they stop communicating, like totally. Right, if you got any value out of that, I really appreciate it if you give me one of these. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing so that next time I upload another video, you'll be the first to know about it, okay? But for now, peace out.